Hey YouTube, I'm back again with another build. And today I have the Blue Astray Master Grade second revise. This project took me about a month, give or take. Painting and all that it didn't take me that long. It's just the color scheme. This one I got it off the internet somewhere, but it was off the original Blue Astray frame D. But I kind of took the scheme and put it on a second revise. Yeah, and I had an extra shield sword from an old kit, and this shield I got this from the I can't think of his name right now. The red ashtray full weapon set came with 2 shields, so I took the sharpest one and I just mounted it to the little peg on the side. I'm gonna spin it around. See, I had like a 90 degree, I guess. I just had it laying around and I took like a old runner, I'm sorry, and I just sanded it down, made it fit. As for the colors, this one I used for the blue, I used the Tamiya flat blue. No, I'm sorry, Tamiya's royal blue. Yeah, let me get it. Let me see. Let me show you guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Here you go. Royal blue. That's the majority of the colors. And I sanded it down with my Scotch Brite, and I hit everything up with the all-clad primer, white. So I figure if I go with a darker primer, it's gonna make the blue darker, and the color's already dark as is. So I just went with the white primer on this project. Usually I go with a gray. As for the gold, this time I just tried out Mr. Hobby Metallic 210, and that's what you guys and gals see right there on the gold. I used for the base of that. I could have went with a gloss black, but I used this chrome silver as my base. Then I shot the gold over it. And for the gray part, these gray areas, I use Tamiya metallic gray. Just wanted to be a little different. I usually use the gunmetal. I love that stuff, but I didn't want all my kits to be looking the same. So I just used this for this particular build. And I coated the water slides I just used minimum. I kept it minimal, I'm sorry. And I shot the clear all-clad clear coat matte. Yeah, basically that's it. And I used a little bit of black in the back, flat black, for his weapon. And I used the chrome, all clad chrome for the blade tips. It does have a nice little shine to it. It looks kind of menacing to me. I'm really digging it. Oh, and his blades too. I did that in chrome, and he got a little knife in the front. I did that in chrome also. The inner frame, I shot the gold, and the upper part, I did that in the gunmetal. I'm sorry, the gray, metallic gray. It's pretty straightforward. And the sword is holding him up. The backpack is too, I guess it's too heavy. Yeah. So if I take the sword out, he's gonna tilt over. The gold, I guess. I mean, could have been better, I guess. I really like that. The Gaia notes, the Star Bright. But I mean, this one is it's pretty good, I guess. It does have a shine to it, but nothing crazy. Or maybe I should have shot it with the black, the gloss black. Might have gave it a little bit more depth. Yep. And if you guys got any questions, just hit me up. The sword is pretty easy. Uh, as you can tell, it came with the little slot right here. And I just took the sword. I took a piece of PVC. Let me see. Some ply plates. 3/16. I just filed it down a little bit. I filed it down and I kind of like laid it under there. And when I got it to kind of fit snug to where I want it, I glued it and I just filed it down to make it smooth and stuck it in there. It could, I mean, it's fully adjustable. He could spin it around and it's in there pretty good also. I'm And for this build, I also painted the stand. Could have did better. This is my first time doing it, so I wasn't sure. I'm gonna touch these up later. But I'm not gonna waste too much time on it. I think that in chrome. Yep. Try to keep my videos short. I really don't want to bore you guys. You know, you guys and gals got other things to do. Happy building, and see you guys next time.